Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Show and tell how to create a password for Facebook on iPhone or how you can change it. Be sure to watch this video to the end. Please subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Write in the comments whether my method helped you or not. I will read and reply to everyone. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to Facebook on our iPhone or iPad or any other device. In the bottom right corner, click Menu. In the top right corner, Settings and Privacy. Next is Meta Accounts Center. See More in Accounts Center. Click here, Password and Security. Change Password. And once again, select your Facebook profile. Next here, we need to change our password. But for this, you must first write your old password, which was changed on 06.19/2023. You must write the old password. After that, make up a new one and confirm it once again. And click Change Password. Also, do not forget that your new password must be at least 6 characters. And must include a capital letter, a number, some brackets, let's say a dog or an exclamation point. This is a simple way to change or create a password for Facebook on your devices. Subscribe to the channel. Put likes. If you enjoyed this video, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again. Goodbye.